Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and my husband and I love to explore and hit the trails. And these QOGIR snake gaiters really help us to have peace of mind while we do that. So when you are exploring, particularly out in the desert, you are going to run across rattlesnakes. They're very common. Sometimes they shed their rattles, so they can't always warn you, and they blend in so well to their surroundings. So that's why these snake gaiters are so useful. They are made with this strong, durable material that is going to withstand the strike of a snake. And it covers from the bottom of your knee all the way down to the ankle. It has a flap that goes over the tongue of your shoe. So you really have good protection all around your ankles, your calves, your shins, and right below your knee. It has these little sections of the same material that allow you to bend it and curve it around your calf. It has buckles that you can go around. The strap has a Velcro strap that attaches the loose strap to the stationary strap, which allows you to be able to tighten but not have this flapping strap that's going to trip you or get caught on something. When you have these, you worry less about walking through long grass, by a bush. Of course, you're not throwing caution to the wind. Snakes are extremely dangerous, and that is their home. You want to respect them, so you definitely don't want to invade their space or try and approach a rattlesnake just because you're wearing these. I definitely recommend these. They're very easy to store and to have just as a precaution, and that's my point of view.